Hi students, I am Rihanna Imas, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT Adur. We are studying the subject Civil Engineering Project Management for 8th semester Civil Engineering as per APJKQ syllabus. Now we are on the revision part. We are discussing about the third module, and discussion is unit rate costing of resources. Unit rate costing of resources. The term costing stands for method of estimation of production costs. For estimating the direct and indirect costs of a work package or work item, which includes the labor cost, which is calculated as labor effort in man hours multiplied by standard labor hourly rate. The equipment utilization cost, which is equal to the equipment utilization hour multiplied by the standard equipment hourly rate. And the material cost is, which is equal to the material consumption quantity multiplied by standard materials unit price. So the total direct and indirect costs for a work package or work item includes the labor cost, the equipment utilization cost, and the materials cost. Now, what is standard labor hourly rate? The direct labor employed on monthly or daily wages can be costed on an hourly rate basis. Complete labor hourly standard rates include the net expenses incurred for the procurement of materials, benefits and statutory costs like taxes, insurance, etc. For costing purposes, labor is categorized into foremen or supervisors, highly skilled laborers, and semi-skilled and unskilled laborers. Calculation of labor standard hourly rate involves determination of annual labor estimated cost and number of productive hours worked in a year. So, standard labor hourly rate is the direct labor employed on the basis of a monthly or daily wages, which can be costed on an hourly rate basis. Next is the equipment hourly standard rate. Costing is done for estimation of the equipment on hourly rate basis. It involves the estimation of equipment owing and operating costs as the equipment rate per hour, which is equal to the sum of owning cost per hour, per hour and operating costs per hour. So, the estimation of equipment cost involves the summation of owning costs and operation costs, which is equal to the sum of owning costs per hour and operating costs per hour. The owning cost is usually equal to the depreciation, and the operating cost is equal to the sum of fuel cost, maintenance cost, and major repair cost and other replacement costs in case of rubber tired equipment. The various factors which affects the owning and operating costs of equipment include: first one, state of the equipment, whether the equipment is an old equipment or a new equipment. Second one, corporate capitalization policy. Third one, sources of funding for new purchases, whether there is sources of funding are available for purchasing a new equipment. Site delivered price, purchase implication on corporate taxes, resale value of that particular equipment, annual operational hours contemplated, past performance record in the case of old equipment, job conditions, skill of the operator, repair and maintenance facilities available, etc. are the various factors affecting the owning and operation cost of equipment. Next is material standard price. It is defined as the estimated price of the unit quantity of an item delivered at the project site. It includes direct costs like price at source, wastage costs, transportation costs up to the site, and taxes involved. The site storage and handling costs from the site warehouse to construction sites are covered under indirect costs. So the factors affecting the purchase price includes: the purchase price depends on quantity required, lot size of each delivery, delivery dates, specifications, shelf life, payment terms, etc. So hoping that you have understood the unit rate of estimation of resources. It is estimated on the basis of labor standard hourly rate, standard labor hourly rate, material standard rate, and equipment standard hourly rate. So all these are estimated. All the costs for the labor, material, and equipment is estimated on an hourly basis, and with reference to that, the unit rate for the estimation of resources is done. So the major resources in a construction are labor, material, and equipment. So these three items are, the costs for these three items are estimated on standard hourly basis, and the unit rate is calculated. Okay, hoping that you have understood. Okay, thank you.